Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, get all of our videos and updates as they happen. Today we're going to go over how to add end screens and annotations to your YouTube videos. Exactly how you go through the process of doing that. I'm sure you've seen it when a YouTube video ends, usually for more popular channels that have been optimized. They usually have a screen that'll show with basically a subscribe button, maybe a button that links out to their website, maybe a specific video they want you to watch, or a playlist that kind of matches that video you just did watch. Um, and basically, you use them to capture people after the video or to keep them engaged within your videos. So that's why you want them. That's important to keep in mind as you set it up. So then you kind of have a goal for why you're doing it. So basically, all you're going to do is when you come into YouTube, you can go to your Creator Studio, you can go to Video Manager. You don't have to go directly to Video Manager. You could just go to your video and click on it and then click Edit when you get in there. But we're going to add one to this video today, so I'm going to click Edit here. So from Video Managers, click Edit. So basically a video I uploaded pretty recently, so I don't have any end screen or annotations on it yet. I don't even have my description set yet, so got to do a few things for this video. So all you're basically going to do for the end screen and annotations is when you click on edit up at the top, you're going to click up here. Once it loads, so you're going to see a bunch of different things up here. We're going to focus more on the end screen than the annotations here. So let's just do end screen up here. Don't really worry about annotations over here. Just focus on this end screen tab. You can see there's some issues here with end screens or with annotations. So the first thing you can do is you can click on what you want to view. So show grid, snap to element, snap to grid. I keep them all on there. It's really up to you. You can use one of their preloaded templates. So I'm not going to use one of these, but I'm probably going to do something very similar to this. One video, one subscribe, one link. Or you can import from another video if you have one created already. So this is important. If this is your first end screen that you're making, it's not for me. When you click import on from the video, all you basically have to do is click on the video that you want it to match, and you just click import, and it'll add everything right here right away, quickly, easily, and then you just click save. So once you make one, it's a lot quicker. Just keep that in mind as you're making them. So what we're going to do here is start adding elements. So this is how you add the different things that you want here. So to start, let's start with a subscribe button. So click add element, subscribe, promote subscriptions to your channel. Simple, so it shows up right here in the top left corner after the video ends. So now the other things you can do are video or playlist. You can promote a specific video or a specific playlist. You could also just create, and I want to do this anyway, so let's just create it now. You could also click create, and they'll say your most recently uploaded video, no matter what. Whatever is the best for viewers, so they'll select a video from the channel to best suit the viewer, or you can custom select your video or playlist. This is all a matter of preference. I'm just going to go best for viewer, let YouTube decide. Usually I would choose my own, but just to do this a little quicker, so create element. So now you'll see if you put it right here, it's going to be on top of your logo. So what you want to do is move it away from your logo, put it on the bottom, or your subscribe button, my apologies. Put it on the bottom. You can make it, they go pretty large, so about this big. Let's see, so it's not going to fit right there. So let's just keep this down here. Now let's shrink it a little bit. All right, so you don't want any of that red showing that you saw here, so that's something important to know. So now here, this is going to show up whatever's the best for the viewer. We have our subscribe button here, add element. So you can promote another channel. This usually isn't applicable that often for most channels. I mean, usually people have one channel. If you have another channel that you work with or another channel you own that you want to that's kind of related to what you're doing, then you can do promote another channel here as well. So link, let's link to an approved website. Let's click create. So let's just send them right to my homepage, surfsideppc.com. So it's going to automatically pull up your title from your website. So basically, all I want to do is just let's just do visit Surfside PPC today. Call to action, we visit. This is our link URL up here. So for the image, we're going to use the same square logo we used earlier. Usually I'd use something a little bit different than my subscribe button over here. So you want to move it right next to the subscribe button over here. We have our playlist. So at the very end, our end screen is basically going to look like this. You can see the preview here. So they'll play once you click preview, and you can see kind of how it shows up. So towards the very end of your video, it's going to show up. And this is the next thing that we can do here is move these over. So I can say, you know what, I don't want this to show up till, you know, it goes to 9 minutes and 52 seconds. I don't want it to show up till 9 minutes and 42 seconds. You could also have these come in at different times. So you can go, you know, one a little bit later, one a little bit earlier, but I'm just going to line them all up. And this will automatically line up now to 9:42. Once we click save, now we are all set. We have our end screen all set up for 3 simple Google AdWords mistakes to avoid. We have it saved. So that's basically all you have to do. If you want, you can now use this for other videos. So you go into your other videos, you can import this exact end screen onto other videos. Pretty simple idea. Pretty simple to implement. So make sure you get started with it today. I'll tell you, once I didn't have end screens implemented right away, and once I implemented them to all my videos, I started to see a little bit more in my daily views and everything. It started to grow. So there's definitely some good things to it. It's helpful for growing your subscribers, maybe driving traffic to your website or whatever your goal is. So recommend getting started with them, even if you just create one for now and just import a bunch from different videos. So thanks for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and hopefully you learned something.